or not you win this thing, you've got to decide how you're going to walk out of here when it's all said and done. Because the game is going to go on. And there's only one rule you're going to need to know about. There are no second chances. There's only this moment and the next moment. Every one of those moments is a test.
He's way back there.
That you get to take one time, and only one time. So if you see an opening, tear into it. If you get a shot at victory, make damn sure you take it.
I got it.
Seize that moment.
Did you get it or did I?
That moment is a crossroads where everything you want will collide with everything standing in your way. You've got momentum at your back. Fear and doubt are thundering like a freight train straight at you. And all you got, the only difference between making history and being history, the only thing you can count on in any given moment is you. It's you versus them. You versus no. You versus can't. You versus next year, last year, statistics, excuses. You versus history. You versus the odds. It's you versus second place. Clock is ticking. Let's see what you got.
Surrender!
What's going on here?
Let's go.
Oh, shit, okay.
Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his clip stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Got together to do this music, the more we became enveloped, we just developed the fellowship. There's no pretension, it's friendship, me nemesis, assume nemesis ain't for him, it's just me. You see the them, it's just him, it's just the shit is no kid.
Got your toes over here.
You just gotta know when to put in and put out. If there's a problem, we solve it, we don't resolve it, it usually just evolves into one big brawl, and we all get involved in it, we should all get a merit. This must beef we inherit and wear it like a badge of honor, pass it around and share it, and let it go to whoever's holding the most current beef on their shoulders, and the suckers got their backs till it's over. But tonight, we ain't coming here to beef with nobody, we came to party. Blank cash is a Mr. Ferrari, so it's shady at the mishap, back in that ass, he was asking this song, what kind of a fucking position is
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
I say I run it, cause I'm in control. Hypnotic, gonna see a couple shots of patrol. I ain't feeling nice, I get your eyes, okay. Party pop, shorty said she coming with me tonight. I ain't so delineant, I ain't snapping and popping either. I'm bobbing my head, or I'm just standing there watching. I'm a hustler, I hustle, you can tell that I'm paid, and I protect what I got. I'm in the house with my blade, nigga, you first, you gon' get it. Okay, now maybe I'm silly, cause I want you to treat it. Yeah, I be on that shit. You should see when I'm stunting, I flash the stones to be walking. Push the bass and he rolling, you can tell that I'm holding. I'm just doing my thing, you know the units the game. I got my grind, you shady with me, you front, you'll have to get me off your ass. A bit of lawsuit and laugh. It's not a big deal, it's nothing but some game.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous. Without even trying.
I have the remedy.
10% luck,
Surrender.
20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
That's a zombie motherfucking runner.
Fort Liner, M. Shinoda, styles of beyond. Ryu, top beer.
Bruce! Bruce! Shit, dude. I don't know. He's one of us. Where's that human? Nut shot. Damn it. I got some more.